Lesson 7, Je suis au retard. Les exercices. Continuing with question number 2. Take out your books, everyone. Question is mettre les phrases au passé composé et ou négatif. You need to frame the given sentence into passé composé and negative also. Clear? Now, first of all, your first step is to check what is the verb here and whether that comes in Dr. Mrs. Vandertramp or not. Here the verb is voir. That means voir. And the past participle is view. And voir verb is not coming in Dr. Mrs. Vandertramp. So it will be conjugated with auxiliary verb avoir. So your answer will be j'ai vu. Passé composé mein kiya. But here you have to change it in negation also. So what will be your answer? First of all, subject, then negation. Je, then ne, then pas. After auxiliary verb pas, then your past participle. Je n'ai pas vu the bon film. A, un and they, whenever changes to negative, it will become the. A, un, they changes to de, the. B part is les amis s'amusent beaucoup dans le parc. Here the verb is s'amusant. Amuser verb is it. ठीक है, er ending verb है, but amuser verb is not coming in Dr. Mrs. Vandertramp. But the given verb will be conjugated with auxiliary verb être. Why? Because the given verb is pronominal. जिस भी verb से पहले स लगा होता है question में, that particular verb is called as pronominal verb and it will be conjugated with être only. So your answer for the second part will be les amis ne se sont pas. Les amis ne se sont pas amusés with an S because here it is plural beaucoup dans le parc. Rest of the object will remain same. C part. Nous allons à la bibliothèque avec notre professeur. Verb is aller. It comes in Dr. Mrs. Vandertramp. It will be conjugated with auxiliary verb être. Nous ne sommes pas allés. With an S. À la bibliothèque avec notre professeur. We are not going to library. We didn't went to the library with our professor. Next D part is il se brosser les dents. This is the verb of avoir, auxiliary verb, but it is pronominal. So we are going to conjugate it again as auxiliary verb être. Your answer will be il ne sait pas brosser les dents. He never brushes his teeth. Elle veut changer l'heure de rendez-vous. Verb is vouloir. Elle n'a pas. Elle n'a pas voulu. Changer l'heure de rendez-vous. Question number 3. Mettez à l'interrogatif en utilisant l'inversion. You need to frame the following sentences into inversion. That means in interrogation form in the third form of interrogation, that is inversion. So how we do that? First of all, there is your conjugated verb, then subject, and then object. So let us do. First is l'homme est venu avec sa famille. Man had came with his family. So a l'homme venu avec sa famille, or else you can also write l'homme, comma et il venu avec sa famille. Both are correct. Okay. This is followed, this one is followed in the case when there is something properly given. Proper noun is there. Tu te bien habillé pour la soirée. You should get ready well for the evening, for the party. Te tu bien habillé pour la soirée. C part. Ils ont pris le petit déjeuner. Ils pris le petit déjeuner. Hier, mes parents sont arrivés tard. Hier, sont mes parents arrivent tard. So same way, it is done in each and every question. First, you need to write the conjugated auxiliary verb in present tense, then your subject, then your object. And if it is pronominal, so reflexive pronoun will come at first, then your auxiliary verb, then your subject, and then your past participle, then your object. E and the last part is nous avons fait du shopping. We go to do shopping. We went to do shopping. Avons nous fait du shopping? And one more thing which we have forgotten is to put question mark. In interrogation, in any of the form of interrogation, we have to put question mark, which is very much necessary. Now comes question number 4. What you have to do in this? You need to put this in present. It is given in passé composé. I'm first writing the question to explain you. Elle est sortie is written. From this, you can find out what is the verb. Verb is sortir. And what is the past participle of sortir? This is IR ending verb. The past participle is sorti. So your answer now, sortir verb. What is the conjugation of sortir verb in present tense? Sortir verb का क्या conjugation होता है present tense में? It's sort. So your answer will be Elle sort de sa chambre. She left from her room. Now the B part. Nous sommes rentrés à la maison. Verb is rentrer. With nous in rentrer verb, it's rentrons. Nous rentrons à la maison. We return to the house. C part. Elles ont mangé. Verb is manger. Elles mangent. Elles mangent ensemble. They are eating together. Next part. Je ne me suis pas arrêté. Here the verb is arrête. Je n'arrête pas. This is negation as well as pronominal. So it will be je ne m'arrête pas. Je ne m'arrête pas ici. This will be your answer. And last one is E part. Tu as bu de l'eau minérale. Verb is boire. Okay? With tu it is, what is the conjugation of boire in tu? Tu bois. B-O-I-S. Tu bois de l'eau minérale. Next, this is the last part of this question. Tu bois l'eau minérale. So how you have to do this is first of all find the verb. जो अगर avoir या être है, that is your auxiliary verb, but you have to find the main verb. ठीक है? Find the verb and then conjugate it, see to it and conjugate it in present tense. Okay, everyone? Question 5. You need to change into the plural. Je me suis. The plural of je will be nous. Je me, nous. Nous sommes assis devant le tableau. L'actrice c'est manquille pour la soirée. L'actrice will be changed to l'actrice, les actrices with an S. Ce sont manquille with an S pour la soirée. C part. Il ne s'est pas resté hier. The plural of il is il. Ne se sont pas. negative also and pronominal also. Il na se sont pas rassé. We will add s with rassé because il is plural here and er will remain same. J'ai appris les leçons. Je will be changed to nous. Nous avons. Je a will be changed to nous avons appris la leçon. La leçon will be changed to les leçons. ऐसा आ जाएगा les leçons में. We are understood with the lessons. E part and the last part. Tu as bien chanté français. Tu as will be changed to nous avons. Nous avons bien chanté with an S because nous is plural. नहीं, इसमें S नहीं लगाएंगे क्योंकि this is avoir verb. We will not add accord with avoir. Nous avons bien chanté en français. So what you have to do is only just change the subject. Tu change, je change hoga nous में, tu and vous, il and ils, elle and else. Accordingly, you will add the accords if it is conjugated with any of the Dr. Mrs. Vandertramp verb or any of the pronominal verb. Else, if it is conjugated with auxiliary verb avoir, no need to change or add any accord to it, simply conjugated with avoir verb in the plural form.